Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Rndr. Had to do an update, of course. Yesterday, I made a video just before this rally we had because, well, I made the video for a reason. All right, this rally was to be expected. All right, because what happened yesterday is that obviously, all right, well, fundamentally, when we talk about Rndr, it got a listing on Binance Japan. I already told you, and we already talked about this yesterday, I don't think that was the reason for this bullish momentum. I think it's way more likely that if you... Oh, I'm not even sure what this new RMP is, or that's still the same that was already going on. But all right, I don't think that's the reason. I just think in general this was to be expected. All right, Rndr, and we already looked at this yesterday, but I think it's important to to look at it again. What you saw in the daily market structure was very, very clear. All right, bullish momentum right here, like a very strong uptrend, consolidation. All right, and a consolidation in bullish markets, which I call these bullish markets, is a continuation indication. All right, so usually if there's a huge if there's a huge impulse, an uptrend, and then price consolidates, usually it will break out of that range to the upside and rally up higher. So that's going on right now. Let me quickly delete all of those ugly drawings. But that is what happened. And yeah, maybe the news helped, but in the end, what it just did is it broke above this resistance level at 2.55 and $2.5. It unfortunately did not do the break retest. In my signal group, I shared a trade to enter at 2.55. Or 2.56 even, and it dropped down to 2.57. So yeah, it was unfortunate. I should have known better, but all right. Rndr is still very bullish. The main price target yesterday was 2.9, 2.95. Reached that very easily. Even found some resistance initially, but broke through that in the night. Still bullish now. It found resistance here at this yellow key level. That's the most important key level right now. Most important resistance level in either way, which is 3.1 and 3.2. All right, so that's the main resistance level right now. So what we ultimately want to see, and we briefly talked about that yesterday as well, is we want to see Rndr break above that, break above 3.2, or like 3.1 is probably already enough, and rally up to the next price target at 3.5. That's a level that Rndr hasn't hit in a very, very, very long time. The last time it hit that was February 2022. Which, you know, if you talk about things like that, you actually start to get pretty optimistic about a potential bull run happening. Just saying, but all right. So yeah, Rndr right now technically is still bullish. All right, it's dependent on a couple of things, but I do expect Rndr to get up towards 3.5. If you take a look at the momentum right now, it's so ridiculously strong. Sure, it has dropped down over the last 2 hours, but it's still very high. And technically, Rndr is very strong. Rndr will probably test its support level right now between 2.9 and 2.75. That's what I expect. It will test those support levels and it will try to hold those. If it isn't able to hold $2.75 as a support, then it's over. All right, it's a really important support level, and if it breaks, like I said, it is over. But I see no reason right now why the support level would not be respected. Rndr is very strong. It has strong fundamentals behind it. It's a great project. It's developing. It's pushing out some great proposals right now. Technically, this level is very strong. The market is still strong. So I see no reason why Rndr would not hold that level, because if it holds that level, it will break above 3.1 and get up towards 3.5. So that's what I expect. I mean, if for some reason Rndr does get that bearish breakout, first of all, I was wrong, but then you should know that it will probably fall down lower. So keep an eye out for that. I mean, potentially if Bitcoin crashes now, that's something that could happen. But like I said, it's not what I expect. So these are my thoughts on Rndr for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care. And if you're interested in my premium group or my signal group, I have both of them. You can check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment to get some more info and read about it. But for now, well, that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.